A man accused of following a woman home from a light rail station, then robbing her, is now under arrest.
Surveillance cameras captured part of the attack in late January. The suspect stole the 22-year-old's laptop computer. The victim helped police locate the suspect, Mika Dahlbeck. This camera inside the pavilion on Barry Apartments captured part of the attack. The surveillance photo shows a man walking in behind the victim around 6:30 at night.
That's really creepy.
The criminal complaint details what the victim says happened next. She felt an arm go around her neck and hand over her mouth. These pictures show the struggle over her purse. She didn't let go. The suspect pulled her outside, where the victim says she lost consciousness. When she came to, her MacBook Air laptop was gone.
Given the time that it happened, it is a little scary because it can happen at any time.
According to the complaint, investigators believe Mika Dahlbeck saw the victim get off the light rail at the Westgate station at University and Barry and followed her as she walked the few blocks home, something many living in the area do.
It's pretty everyday for me because I don't have a car.
There are quite a few people that are taking the light rail and rely on it for transportation.
Caught again on camera, this picture shows the suspect minutes after the attack on the light rail with what appears to be a laptop. A Be on the Lookout bulletin helped police identify the suspect, who was later found wearing the same outfit. Riders who walk home were glad to hear police arrested Dahlbeck for aggravated robbery and say they'll be more vigilant.
Makes you kind of think about being more aware of your surroundings, I guess.
Carry some pepper spray, stuff like that.
Now, the victim had a hand in helping police. Her laptop locator app pulled up a location where the suspect was known to stay. That's where police arrested Dahlbeck. Last fall, WCCO took an in-depth look at crime at light rail stations. To see the story and for an interactive map that shows police calls to light rail stations, go to WCCO.com.